We give you the base, you make it to taste. Let's make whole grain waffles. First, add 1 cup of white whole wheat flour, 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of spice, a dash of kosher salt, and whisk it together. Now combine the wet ingredients, 1 cup of buttermilk, then 4 tablespoons of melted butter, followed by 2 large eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then whisk these together really well. Now add the buttermilk mixture to the dry ingredients and using a spatula, stir them until they're just combined. You definitely don't want to overmix this or you'll get a tough waffle. To keep it nice and fluffy just until they're combined. Now grab that waffle iron, make sure it's lightly sprayed or brushed with oil, and portion your waffle batter into the waffle iron. And cook until they're done or until they smell delicious. And you can make all different sizes of waffles. We have mini ones here. And we're gonna add some strawberries and some nuts. Toasted nuts are the best. And don't forget real maple syrup. Eat them on the go, freeze them for later. Delicious. Cook confidently, simplify nutrition, feel better to your taste.